Your videos are not getting views because you have deprived your channel the opportunity to be promoted by the YouTube algorithm. That is because there is a specific settings that is turned off by default on your channel, and that is what I'm about to show you in this video, how to turn it on so that the YouTube algorithm will know how to approach your channel and promote your videos to get more views, to make your channel grow faster, get more watch time in a very short period of time so you can monetize. Isn't that what you are doing this YouTube for? So if you're interested in this kind of thing, then watch this video to the end. My name is Lawrence. Once more, welcome to my channel. If you're interested in growing your channel, that is the kind of videos you get from this channel. All right, so share this video with your friends, especially those who you know are also trying to grow on YouTube, and give us a like. To turn on this setting, the first thing you need to do is to get to this YouTube Studio page. And how to get to this place is to get your Chrome browser, then log into studio.youtube.com, then request desktop site, and once you get the desktop site here on this page, log into your channel. I forgot to mention that. So once you're on your channel dashboard, the first thing you need to do is to click on this three dots here and look for customization. Okay, so this is customization here. Click on customization and a new page will open. Go to this home tab page. When you get to the home tab page, this is the setting we are trying to turn on, this home tab setting. So it says show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content to your audience, for your audience I mean to say. So on default, especially to new YouTubers channel, this setting is turned off, so you have to turn it on here. Then after turning this on, scroll down a bit, then click on more settings. So when you click on more settings, you see content type. Turn this all on if they are turned off by default. Then you can switch from all content to recent content only, because when your channel is just growing for the first time, you don't have enough videos on your channel for the YouTube algorithm to recommend to audience. All right, so you want the new videos that are trending, that have relevant information and things that are trending for this moment. Okay, not old videos that are not really relevant now but might be relevant in the future. So we'll switch it to recent content only. Then once that is done, you click on done. Then don't forget to click on publish up here, because if you don't click on publish, that means this setting is not going to work on your channel, right? So I'll click on publish here before I exit this page. So once that's done, you're good to go. I'm happy you've watched this video till this very point. All right, so this is a very simple setting to turn on your channel. So don't just watch this video, get this knowledge and push it aside. Please turn it on your channel so that you can start getting that amazing result you've been longing for. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Give this video a like, turn on your notification, and share this video with your friends. All right, so watch these videos right here to learn how to upload the right way and get more views to you every single videos on your channel. Until next time, take care of yourself.